are some of the best improvements that you can make to your home to actually help you sell your home quickly, but also get the value back out of your home for the investment you put in. I'm Michelle Snyder. I'm a local realtor here in Indianapolis, Indiana. And on today's Weekly Minute, I'm going to talk to sellers and I'm going to give you 5 things that you can do to actually get a good return on investment on your home. But these are things that you can do to help sell your home a little faster. Number 1 is landscaping. Landscaping always is a good thing to do. When you clean up your landscaping with freshen up your mulch, pull your weeds, make sure your lawn is mowed, make sure you're blowing off all those driveway from those clippings, make sure you're weeding around your patio. That goes a long way. Number 2 is paint. A fresh coat of paint goes a long way as well. You know, if you have a house that's got multiple colors, maybe it was built in the 80s or in the 90s, and you've got some of the color trends that were popping back then, trending back then, they're not trending now. What is going now is more of a neutral palette. You need to neutralize the walls in your home because that's going to help better sell your home. Number 3 is flooring. Flooring goes a long way with buyers. The luxury vinyl plank flooring that's being put in homes now with replacing the carpet on the first level, buyers love that because it's very dog friendly and kid friendly. Bathrooms updated, it goes a very long way with buyers, and so does kitchens. Now, if you can do the bathrooms and kitchens, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Just updating the vanities goes a long way. Painting those walls in the bathroom, changing out that floor. As far as the kitchen, if you can paint those cabinets and change the hardware out, that will go a long way. Now, if you have any questions, you live in the Indianapolis area, you need somebody to sit down with you, walk through your home, give you some ideas of what needs to be done, I'd love to help. Feel free to reach out to me.